The KOUSEI 5-tier corner bookshelf offers a versatile design that can be easily switched between an L-shaped and a vertical layout, making it a perfect fit for any corner in your home. Each shelf on this sturdy bookshelf can hold up to 200 pounds thanks to its heavy-duty metal frame and robust iron tubes, ensuring durability and stability. Its space-saving design is ideal for small apartments and dorm rooms, providing a practical solution for maximizing storage in compact spaces. The bookshelf includes 4 S-hooks to hang items like keys or headphones, and each shelf features a 3-sided safety fence to prevent items from falling. Assembly is a breeze with this bookshelf as it requires no tools, and its rustic industrial style complements any home decor beautifully. With dimensions of approximately 45 inches in length, 13 inches in width, and 65 inches in height, this bookshelf offers ample storage without overwhelming your space.